We're going to balance this using the algebraic method. First, set variables A, B, and C in position. We only have 3 chemical species, so that's why we use A, B, and C. Then create linear equations based off of the quantity of each of the atom types. 1A because 1 barium is associated with A. 1C because 1 barium is associated with C. Once you have your linear equations, set one variable equal to 1 and solve for the rest. B was selected because B has the highest coefficient, immediately tells us about C, and C can tell us about A. You typically aim for the one with the highest coefficient associated with it, that tells you the most about the other chemicals, that tells you the most about the other variables. Here's the rap sheet method, the traditional method, the teeter-totter, seesaw, or trial and error method. You set up a rap table, reactants, atoms, and products to see which things are balanced and which things aren't. You can then put in coefficients into your chemical equation so that it solves and makes everything balanced. I'm now going to show you how the rap table and the linear equations are effectively the same thing. Many students have difficulty seeing this, but the linear equations ultimately end up being the best method because it requires very little brain power since you can just follow and do the math. The biggest problem is making sure that you have the right linear equations created. Here, 1 barium, 1A equals 1C. 2B equals 1C, 2 oxygens, 1 oxygen.